is Indigo Eriksen, 2024 Riding the Land poet for the Nature Conservancy, the Piney Grove Preserve. This poem is called 2 Lines. I would tell you of the 2 lines wrapped around a pine tree that announce the red cockaded woodpecker, and how the fire-brown leaves of this understory mean light and breath. I would show you that these locked gates transform into the long lives of forest. I would tell you of a cypress swamp in the ancestral lands of the Nottoway, of moonlight filtering through pine, of a hidden flower, only 2 of which exist now, of enslaved bodies buried without namestone, of the old war and the new one coming. I would tell you the GPS coordinates, the passcode for entry, the hidden key. If only you did not demand this as your birthright. If only you would not carve your name into the bark. If only you could break open your marrow and let loose your wild spirit. If only you were still. If only you might hold the call of the bird above you in palms gentle and bend.